Hey guys, we received this BUNMO liquid motion bubbler with the sensory textures. So they are the four packs, four different designs, and the four different texture sensory thing. As you can see, all the nice vibrant colors, and this really looks nice. And you can also see the texture on the sensory texture on the side. So this will feel really nice. And you see this bubble stuff, like the motion bubbles in between, like a showpiece. So looks really good and really make kids happy. So I'll just take this out. So this is the main essentially like the design thing, which is leak proof and all the things inside. And this on the top as a cushion to protect this with the sensory texture on the top. So you can also easily clean or the wash these stuff if they are dirty. So the same thing with everything but the different textures. So like the blue and green, the orange and yellow, blue and pink, green and pink. So the tactile thing in here, as you can see. So the texture is also nice just to feel, but the design is also like putting in the drops as the bubbles and coming down. So it looks really nice. You can reverse this position and this will work side by side. So this one is a little different. Like you can see the middle part. So the drops are coming on it. It is rotating and giving a really nice scene, all the visuals. So this is a leak-proof thing, as I mentioned, and this is a silicone case for maximum protection. So this is nice. So you can see like the design, how this feels when these drops are coming. So this is really a good thing for the kids, have a fun thing, and you can just give them for any occasion. And you can see like the designs, like pink and blue, green and pink. So all these different design and color based on the coloring thing, and you can have all these different textures and visuals. So just reverse it and it will start again. So very nice toy thing or the bubble thing, colorful and enjoyable, fun passing time thing. So I like these as a really time passer stuff. Very nice and a leak-proof design with a good quality and everything. So hope you also like these things for your kids, and also you can have as a the pastime just on your table, just to have some time for the visuals and nice time thing. So yeah, you can see like this all really nice texture and really nice thing here. So I love this a lot. Hope you like it.